Hi everyone, welcome back to Haley K Studio. Today I am excited to share something a little different with you. Instead of my usual Procreate drawings that we make on the iPad, I'll be showing you how to draw a cute Kawaii Style tiger on a piece of paper with just a pen. So I'm going to keep it simple and fun. In my next video, I will show you how to take this drawing and turn it into a Procreate stamp brush that you make yourself. So grab your pen and paper and let's get started. Like I mentioned, today we are going to draw a cute Kawaii Style tiger. So let's go ahead and get started. To start, I am going to draw an upside down U shape and then some triangles going down to make his whiskers, and connect those with a U shape, sort of a curved line going across, and then his ears, just these C shapes, draw little insides of his ears, and next, we will go ahead and draw his nose. We'll do that right in the middle. And his mouth. Just little curvatures of his mouth. And the little dimples. And next we'll draw his eyes, and I like to do just a simple little oval for the eyes. I'll go ahead and fill those in. And to make them a little expressive, I like to give my drawings little eyebrows. And now to distinguish this guy as a tiger, let's go ahead and draw some stripes on his face. So we'll start with his forehead and just do some V shapes. And then on the sides of his face, we'll do some curved stripes. And color those in black, because it is a tiger with black stripes. And I'm going to go ahead and color in his ears black. Just the outsides, not that inside curve. And we've got his ears colored in. Before we move on to his body, let's go ahead and color in his nose black. There we go. There, we've got our little cute tiger face, and the only thing he needs is a chin. There we go. Now we're gonna move on to his body, and I like to draw a little tufty bit on his chest. I think that's what you'd consider it, sure, yeah. And now just a curve down going for each arm or leg, front leg. And I will connect those probably after I do this next part, which are his paws. So just some circles for his paws is all that's needed. And now to finish off his legs, we'll just go ahead and put 2 lines down to indicate the separation of the legs. Then his feet, his little paws for his feet, and he is sitting down. And we'll do the same thing over here, a couple little curves for his toes, and then a curve down for the bottom of his foot. And then we could put the little pads, his toe beans on. Necessary part of a cat, the toe beans. And then just the tops of his legs is all that's needed. 2 little curves right there. So notice that most of this drawing is curves, circles, and triangle bits. And it's fairly easy to do. I am going to draw his little tail. Just kind of a curve with some shape to it. And here are the stripes on his tail. And now we have the basic form of our tiger. Isn't he so cute? He doesn't have all his stripes yet. Of course, he has his face stripes, but let's go ahead and draw the rest of the stripes on his body. Okay, so this is looking like a cute little tiger. So we've got his stripes, we've got his body. I'm gonna draw another little stripe right here and right here, just to make him a little bit more complete. And you can also put some little foot lines to indicate that he's got some toes on his front paws, just like that. And lastly, let's color in the stripe of his tail. He's got one stripe and then just the end black bit. And there our tiger is done. And isn't he just so cute? I love this little guy, and he is just like the tigers in my Tiger Procreate Stamp brush set and my Tiger SVG set. If you're interested in that, I will link that below. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I hope this was fun for you. This is my favorite style of drawing. It's simple and fun and cute, and that is what I love to draw, just something cute to make me smile and have fun and feel creative. So thank you so much for joining me. Please like this video if you enjoyed it, and please hit the subscribe button so you can draw with me again. I can draw more this style just on a piece of paper with, today I use a Sharpie, I will continue to draw on my iPad. So what I will do is for my next video, I'll go ahead and I will show how I create these into stamp brushes and SVGs that I sell online. So thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you next time. Bye. I hope you enjoyed this step-by-step tutorial, and don't forget to stick around for my next video where I'll show you how to take this adorable tiger and turn it into a Procreate stamp brush. If you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more creative content and to check out how I do create my stamp brushes. Thank you so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.